He's one of the cool kids.
Get new poles.
Yeah.
Cool kid.
Try out some new trekking poles.
Hey, they got a bench. 5 stars.
A bench right at the beginning. Okay. Okay, so today we are hiking the Raven Trail System in the NHAL State Forest. Northern Highland American Legion State Forest. That's quite the name to remember.
Uh-huh.
So we got all kinds of trails that hopefully we'll get several of them done, but we'll see. Let's check the map.
Find what color we need.
So we're gonna go right up this red, it's half red, half yellow, right up along the lake, and then we'll just work our way back however we see fit. So.
Oh, another toilet?
Oh, another toilet.
Uh-uh, padlock though.
Oh, yeah, it looks pretty decrepit.
Yeah, flipping over. Okay.
So I'm guessing this
So
one
we're
is...
going yellow, right?
Oh.
That's yellow.
Oh, I wonder where that one goes.
That's one way. Can't go that way.
Looks like a very enchanting forest. Wow.
Beautiful woods.
You know what, it's kind of dark and cloudy. It always adds a little mystery and spookiness to the forest.
Huh.
We should go to the left. Yeah, that's yellow.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah.
Must not be tight, huh? Yeah, yellow is the nature trail. So.
Aw, baby, I'm sorry.
What?
No pets allowed. Yep.
So you'll wait here? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I'll wait here.
I gotcha. Wow, this nice big tree. While you're playing with your pole, I'll get some footage here.
What is he doing here?
Oh, no. This did not happen.
No.
Pretty cool trail. You gotta learn some stuff about being one of the cool kids, huh?
No, I was a cool kid. Always march.
To your own drummer.
A different drummer.
Got him?
I think so.
Woohoo! Wow.
Yes. That's a big hemlock. Wait, pine hemlock thing.
Ooh, it's got a little twist up at the top there.
Twisted Sisters.
Oh.
Oh, the mosquitoes ain't bad.
No mosquitoes yet. Now this is like the
Cool woods.
epitome kind of...
Epitome?
the kind of woods that is the epitome of the North Woods. You know, in your imagination when you think of North Woods.
What the hell is this? Blazing Saddles? The epitome?
Trying to think of that other word. But I can't think of it.
Mongo. Is that the word you think?
The quintessential North
I don't
Woods.
This is what you think of when you think of the North Woods.
Yeah.
Premier.
I would picture, if I think of North Woods, I would picture this kind of woods in my head.
Yeah.
It's spooky and mystical and magical and beautiful and all the things you want a forest to be.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I don't see no Schnitzel stand.
You don't want a freaking Schnitzel stand in the middle of the forest.
In Germany they were. In the middle of nowhere there's a Schnitzel stand. You know? Always calling on them. You should know that by now.
Yeah, they were, you know, out in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, hiking and kayaking to me are the two best ways to explore. I mean, hiking on land, kayaking on the water. You can go in every little nook and cranny. You can take everything in. You can just explore away.
Hiya. I might have to drop my reading. This is the only bench I saw was at the beginning. God, this is beautiful.
I know,
A
it's
lot of
just
hemlock.
amazing.
And some oak. A lot of oak.
Yeah, we don't want to get done with this trail too fast. It's too pretty.
Don't worry, we won't. There's how many trails out here?
Yeah, there's miles and miles of trails just in this one trail system, and then this is one of many trail systems in the forest. Wow.
Somebody else knows it. You know how I know?
What?
Deer
What do you
stand.
see?
Deer
Oh, deer stand. Yeah, get that out of here. Oh, here's a little emerald city. Isn't that
stand.
cute?
Oh yeah, club moss.
Oh, there's some mushrooms on there.
Ooh. I really don't know for sure.
Now, they look pretty gross, though.
Touch them.
Not in a good time to.
They're soft, aren't they? Oh, they're
They're
hard.
rubbery. Like rubber. Yeah, and it's so dark in here.
Gorgeous, huh?
I'm gonna go check out the swamp down here because I love swamps. Ooh, very pretty. Oh, what we got here?
Chicken in the wood.
Is it? Ooh, the chicken of the woods, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Pretty.
Alright.
Is that good? Is it supposed to be yellow on the back?
I do believe so. It's hard. I'll see my
Smells like a mushroom. Guess we should have brought a little bag or something, huh?
Should have.
Never even thought of that. More things we gotta think of.
Whoa.
What do you find here? Ooh. Oh, those look like buttons, right? The big button mushrooms?
Looks like.
What do you think the little ones are, what the big ones are?
They're definitely edible. Because there's no blue coming. It should be blue. But, well, I'm not too sure. Right?
Yeah.
So I thought they
Yeah.
were brown, weren't they?
You don't want to mess around. Well, I think they call them white buttons, so.
Huh.
I'm not sure, though. I couldn't swear to it.
Oh, should have brought our books.
Yeah, we do have our mushroom book.
Yeah. Oh,
A bench! Woohoo!
I'm thinking we need a break up there. Nice spot. You see everything.
Hey, it almost looks like spring with all these little baby maple trees growing here.
Yeah. Well, one thing for sure, the trails are very well marked here.
Yeah. That's a good thing because there's a lot of trails.
Oh, sweet taste of spring.
Ah. Spring thaws. Huh?
Spring thaws more than ice in the northwoods. Sap flows too. The sugar maple harvest always marked the end of winter and the beginning of the new Chippewa year. It still does. Chippewa people near Lac du Flambeau had kept the maple sugar tradition alive as a way to connect with their ancestors, paid homage to the earth. To make maple sugar the traditional way, the Chippewas boil the sap for hours, then pour it into a wooden mold or containers to harden. In the past, the maple sugar was the only sweetener for food and the only sweet treats for children. Same way I used to do it.
Them little tidbits of history are always so interesting.
Yeah. You get your Coke bottles on, you might be able to read it instead of having me. Speaking of what? Pheasant?
Oh my gosh, they're so tiny. They are just adorable. Well, it looks like a boardwalk coming up through the swamp. That'll be cool. Boardwalk through the swamp.
That boardwalk right has a bench on it.
Maybe at the end of it.
Oh, do we have gators in Wisconsin?
Who knows? They found a shark in Wisconsin. Why not a gator?
Yeah. That's good, huh? Where'd the found shark at?
Lake Pepin over by the Mississippi River. Must have
Somebody must have threw
swam
one in.
up the river.
Well, yeah, some sharks can.
It was, I think, a bull shark.
Yeah, they can live salt and fresh.
So I said, I ain't going to swim in Lake Pepin.
I will.
Because that's one of the more aggressive sharks, I guess.
Is it?
Yeah.
He's got to gut them.
I mean, they don't get gigantic, but they get big enough to do some damage, I'm sure.
Got caution. Slippery when wet. Must be just a swamp area.
Yeah. This beautiful green moss.
Oh, that club moss, huh?
Gorgeous.
Oh, there's a fun fact up there.
Okay, cool. The hell they do? Put in a passing lane on this boardwalk?
What?
Looks like they put in a passing lane, look.
They did.
Yeah, they made it
Wide, low, straight to the right.
made it wide at the end for a passing lane. Well, we're getting a little bit of sun through this open area. The wet desert. Though surrounded by water, bog plants have adapted to desert-like conditions. Why? Cold temperatures make it difficult for roots to absorb water. In addition, bogs are nutrient poor. Microorganisms that normally decompose dead plants simply can't survive in the stagnant confines of a bog. So dead plants accumulate and lock up nutrients that would normally be available to plants. Look for these hardy plants as you walk along the boardwalk. Bog rosemary, Labrador tea have leathery leaves, rolled leaf edges, and hairy undersides that help conserve water. Bog rosemary and Labrador tea. Wow, some pretty pink moss.
This must be rosemary.
Bog rosemary? Oh, somebody walked out into that?
Oh, you can. It's hard. I don't know what that
Oh,
is.
yeah, that looks like it should be
Yeah.
something.
Something. Oh, aren't we the great
That's
naturalists?
kind of neat, though, whatever it is.
Yeah, you can walk on this. Grandma Lake, this was all we used to walk at. You sway back and forth. But
Yeah, it feels pretty unstable. That's the end of the bog walk already. we got up over the hill.
Then you gotta go down. There's the lake. Right there.
That's the lake? Huh. Okay, cool. Oh, we're getting our sled and ride down this hill. Be fun, eh?
Oh yeah.
There's a bench right by the lake.
Oh sweet.
Nice spot for a break.
On that area.
See, we were supposed to come up that trail.
Oh, were we?
That must have been the one that was way over in the corner where you were by that one wooden sign.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh wow. We got to the same destination. That squirrely buddy's pissed off at us.
Yeah. Now, I'm not sure what lake this is. I don't know if it's part of Clear Lake or it's just one of those quiet little pretty nature lakes. Oh, there's a lion's mane.
Yeah.
Is it?
Had that one.
That sure looks like that lion's mane stuff, huh?
Yeah. What do you think?
That is, wow.
Should we try it or? Think no, that ain't lion. Doesn't
No?
bend over more?
Oh, it has to come down instead of
think
go
so,
up.
yeah.
Oh, I see.
So I don't know what that
it's
is.
like an upside down lion's mane. Okay.
Cool.
Oh, I killed the poor thing. It looks like one of them sponges that you buy to wash your
What?
whatever. Oh, wow. That is a hill and a half. Yeah, if you're a good skier, that'd be fun to come down that baby.
Yeah. Didn't work out today, huh?
Mm-hmm. Feels good. Need to get out in the fresh air in the woods. Nature is healing. That's been proven time and time again.
All right, I believe that. How can you not be stressed out in nature?
Right. These little guys.
Oh, wow.
Little brown ones.
Buttons, maybe?
They're so tiny.
Somebody's got to be tiny.
Little tiny.
Claw? Lobster, maybe?
Oh. Huh. Interesting.
Get close up. You can check all this shit. Yeah, I think it is.
Are lobster claws just big, flat, round, orange ones?
Yeah, some are shaped like lobster claws themselves.
They're kind of rounded a little bit, but they're mostly flat.
Oh, we'll find out. By the time winter comes, we come up here to film. We'll just bring the Cousin Eddie and the heater and put it in the back. And just when we get done hiking, just camp out here for the day.
Yeah. Ooh, this is really a big hill. So that's kind of the first time I think I've seen this. Amongst all these hiking trails, they have a paved biking trail. Which is kind of neat, but kind of weird too. So you got all different, you got snowshoe, woodsy trails, and then you got the ski trails, which are like roads, and then you got the paved bike trail, mountain bike trails. You walk around in the system all day, I guess.
Oh, sweet, yeah.
And of course you got the beautiful woods all around. And here we are back at the parking lot. So we went about 3 miles through some beautiful woods.
Oh yeah. Come on.
Saw a pretty little lake.
Thought you was talking to me. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to the guys.
Go
Talking
ahead.
to everybody.